How to set up your careers page with TFY's AI ATS. Navigate to the left-hand side menu and select the careers page. Here, you will find two distinct sections and blocks. Utilize the Add Section option to incorporate various elements, such as text, gallery, or video sections. You can enhance this careers page by adding customizable blocks. Each element on this page can be tailored to fit your specific needs. To start, select a block to modify. In this example, we have chosen the header block. You can upload a header image that aligns with your brand identity. For sections, selecting a specific section enables us to edit that section. In terms of menu options, you have the flexibility to add, remove, display, or hide any existing menu items. Regarding themes, we offer default template themes for immediate customization, or you can tailor your careers page to mirror your company's website, incorporating your brand colors through the custom theme option. You can customize the fonts on your website to align with your company's branding. Additionally, you have the flexibility to establish personalized templates for the careers page within the job settings. We offer the option for candidates to submit applications even if they do not match any current roles, allowing them to join your own talent pool. Regarding the application form for database applications, you have the option to use either a standard or a customized form, depending on your preference. A customized application form allows you to configure certain fields as mandatory or hidden within the settings. We provide you with the capability to establish your own careers page URL. Once completed, you can click Publish to make this URL live. Thank you.